The energy grid is one of the most complex machines ever built, and artificial intelligence is now helping it run smarter. By analyzing vast streams of data from sensors, weather forecasts, and consumption patterns, AI models can predict demand surges and adjust supply in real time. This means utilities can integrate more renewable sources like solar and wind, which are variable by nature, without risking blackouts. Algorithms also detect anomalies in equipment, flagging potential failures before they happen, reducing downtime and repair costs. For consumers, this translates to more reliable power and potentially lower bills as waste is minimized. The shift is not about replacing human operators but equipping them with tools that see patterns invisible to the eye. As the grid becomes more decentralized with electric vehicles and home batteries, AI's role will only grow. The takeaway is simple: intelligent software is turning a static network into a dynamic, self-regulating system, making clean energy more practical than ever.